I open a door of protest and enter an avenue of night, a jigsaw sky with stars like cubist eyes, sharp corners and razor buildings glowering along uneven paths. A land of torn pages appears through a broken window, a land of multiple worlds of antithesis and promises never meant for some, half delivered to others, and for the rest never needed. Lights bounce across the pre-dawn harbor while silent ships glide through auburn sheets of fog, and figures in rags hold candles lit with unacknowledged rage and pour onto a beach where no one says a word. Disease settles in hungry rooms and fearful shouts pierce burning flags along a street of screams. Shadows of boots grow long on the surface of a bay where miracles are just ripples of imagined voices. Repairing the world, a vision or a prayer soon to end, soon to begin, frozen yet moving within waves of time, pulsing in the swirling clouds with sparks hidden within. Kabbalah boats of emanations shatter into lasers and slice into the threads of social fabrics that protect the darkness inside rooms of no return. Through identity doors, we hear the call to leave and to travel on broken vessels of light to the veiled floors of divinity.